At Jernigan's clinic, we offer advanced facial treatments designed to help you achieve healthier, younger-looking skin. But with several options available, you may be wondering which facial treatment is right for you. Let's take a closer look at 3 of our most popular services and who they are best suited for. If you're looking for a gentle, relaxing treatment that improves overall skin health, our red light facial may be the perfect fit. Using therapeutic LED light technology, this treatment helps stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and supports the skin's natural healing process. It can improve skin tone and texture while helping minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This facial may be right for you if you're just starting an anti-aging skincare routine, if you have sensitive skin, if you've experienced redness and inflammation, and if you want healthier, more radiant skin with no downtime. Here are products and devices used. If your goal is deeper skin rejuvenation, our PRP microneedling facial may be your best option. This treatment combines microneedling with platelet-rich plasma, which is derived from your own blood. Together, they stimulate collagen production and encourage the skin's natural repair process. The result is smoother, firmer, and healthier-looking skin. This facial may be right for you if you have acne scars or uneven skin texture, if you're concerned about fine lines and wrinkles, if you want to improve skin firmness and elasticity, and if you're looking for more noticeable skin rejuvenation. Here are products and devices used. If your primary concern is skin tightening and lifting, the Ultra Radio Frequency Facial may be your ideal choice. Using advanced radio frequency technology, this treatment delivers controlled heat beneath the skin surface to stimulate collagen remodeling and new collagen production. Over time, skin appears firmer, smoother, and more youthful. This facial may be right for you if you're noticing loose or sagging skin, if you want a more defined jawline or facial contours, if you're looking for non-surgical skin tightening, and if you want to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Here are products and devices used. Which one is right for you? The best facial treatment depends on your skin concerns, goals, and desired results. Whether you're looking for gentle skin maintenance, advanced rejuvenation, or non-surgical skin tightening, our team can help you choose the treatment that's right for you.